Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove pro version of QR code scanner app and how to uninstall this application on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. The first one, I'm going to show you how we can remove the pro version of the QR code scanner app or how to remove the subscription. If we want to remove the subscription, we need to visit Google Play Store because we won't be able to unsubscribe in the application. Okay, I'm going to open up my Play Store and we're going to go to the payments and subscription. You can visit your profile here and you're going to go to the payments and subscriptions. Okay, and go to the subscriptions. And if you have subscribed to the QR code scanner app on your Android mobile phone, the QR code scanner app will appear right here. But here, as you can see, that there is no QR code scanner because I haven't subscribed to the application. So here I'm just going to use one of the apps here as an example. Let's say that this is the QR code scanner. So I'm going to tap on that. Sorry, we just need to click on remove actually. Or wait, I'm going to use this one. Okay, let's say that this application is QR code scanner and I'm going to remove the subscription. We just need to click on the application and click on cancel subscription here. Okay, and then the subscription will be removed automatically from the QR code scanner. Okay, and the second one, I'm going to show you guys how we can uninstall this application. Actually, you can uninstall this application from Play Store. You just need to go to the search menu and search for the QR code scanner application. Okay, this is the QR code scanner application I have installed on my mobile phone, and we just need to click on uninstall to remove this application from our Android mobile phone. Or you can go back to your profile and go to the manage apps and device, and you can click on manage and you'll be able to uninstall the QR code scanner application from here. You just need to search for the application and you can click on uninstall. Okay, and then the second method you can try to uninstall the application is simply clicking on the application. You can click and hold on the application and the uninstall button will appear and you can click on uninstall like this and click on OK. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove subscription of QR code scanner and how to uninstall this application on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.